Test your English. The police is here, or the police are here. The police are here. Music is a universal language, or music are a universal language. Music is a universal language. Bacteria is very small, or bacteria are very small. Bacteria are very small. Money is important, or money are important. Money is important. People is different, or people are different. People are different. The information is correct, or the information are correct. The information is correct. The series is very popular, or the series are very popular. Which one is correct? Did you know these words exist only in singular form? Information. The information is correct. Homework. The homework is for tomorrow. Baggage. The baggage is checked in. News. This news is true. Money. Money is important. Water. Water is essential for life. Music. Music is a universal language. Equipment. The equipment is ready. Furniture. The furniture is old. Milk. Milk is in the fridge. Did you know these words exist only in plural form? Scissors. The scissors are on the table. Glasses. My glasses are broken. Clothes. The clothes are drying. Goods. The goods are expensive. Shorts. These shorts are perfect. Pajamas. My pajamas are new. Tongs. The tongs are in the drawer. Pants. These pants are comfortable. Tweezers. These tweezers are very precise. Irregular plurals. Man. Men. Woman. Women. Child. Children. Foot. Feet. Fish. Fish. Tooth. Teeth. Leaf. Leaves. Mouse. Mice. Person. People. Sheep. Sheep. Do you know the plural of wife? From collective to individual, add a word. Staff. Staff member. Board. Board members. Crew. Crew member. Police. Police officer. Jury. Jury member. Audience. Audience member. Government. Government official. The series is very popular, or the series are very popular. Both are correct. The series is means a single series, and the series are refers to more than one series. The plural of wife is wives.